Where's respawn? Yeah, you're right. Never mind.
I'm always right. What do you say?
Roger.
Guys need guns. Let me know. I got like...
Wait, Sam.
What?
Is that going on your YouTube thing?
Uh-huh.
You're doing this.
That was our go. Tommy 3 times on the shoulder, need guns. Big guy running. Earthquake. Earthquake in every step. Oh shit, red. Be your spotter. Just me. There might be some over there. I hear something over there. Don't worry about me. Go. Fucking hell. Next time, I'm carrying it. Oh shit. Blue, 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 blue. I'm good. I'm good. Blue. Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Did you find Violet?
Nope, I can't find Saren either. Can't find Treebeard. Treebeard's somewhere around behind there. Lost him after a while. Ah, crap. Other infinite respawns?
Yep, I took 2 out of the kill house already.
Cool.
The 3rd one I think is scared away.
Check the bushes. Ah, fuck, hit! Oh! Fucking hell! Got me right in the finger! Oh, I'm hit! Jesus! Whew! Shot me right in the fucking face! Oh! I'm done.
How bad is it?
Let's see, not bleeding. Left a good dent in there.
Probably swollen, huh?
Yeah, probably. Don't shoot me, I'm hit.
Don't tempt me.
Oh, fucking hell. I'm not supposed to curse, but Jesus, that hurts. Where's that shot? Oh, I'll feel that tomorrow. Don't shoot me. I'm firing back on all cylinders. Holy fuck, that hurt. And oh, that's gonna hurt. I'll get better gloves next time. Oh wait, I'm never going that forward again until I get better gloves. Whoever shoots me in the fucking face, oh my god, that hurt. As soon as I saw that guy, he shot me.
Hey, watch your back, it's right there!
Yeah, I'll shoot you in the ass when I get a chance. Here, come out here. Come out here.
You don't want that.
You sure?
You don't want that.
Want me to get my gear? It's right there. Trust me, I'll win the fight.
Listen,
All right, thanks.
my KMP9R and just hit you with 50 pounds in 2 seconds. It goes good.
I can always shoot you in the nuts, make you squeal.
How can you shoot something that doesn't exist?
Oh!
I shot him and he didn't even know where it came from, so don't look for him.
Oh.
I'm bringing glasses next time. I can't see worth shit.
Yeah, glasses are worse.
You think so?
Oh, you have to bring two separate pieces in order for it to work. This is face protection, this is eye protection. Same thing, I have to apply the glasses.
Eye protection separate from your face protection, then it won't get all up in you.
Yeah.
Like when you breathe, it will go up and plug up your eye lenses.
Oh my god.
I'm back in.
Nothing feels better than getting shot in the fingernail.
The nail shit that does hurt.
Since I haven't shot my
I
finger.
don't think I might just get playing here and wait for them to wait for either our guys or their guys.
3 behind the house.
Oh, that's right over there. Dead ahead. Should we shoot?
Oh yeah.
Line them up. Abandon this, abandon the area. Fuck this.
Yeah. You gotta leave that in.
What, the video?
Yeah.
You have gas, but it's not throwable. It's 10 times worse. God, what'd you have? Beans? Oh, God. Oh. Go back and forth. I'm gonna run across. Blue, out? You out?
What?
You out?
Yeah, the fucking sheets full out of the still house. Like 8 of them stacked up on it. So watch.
Alright. Give me a grenade, I gotta chug it.
They're not in it, they're just outside.
Oh.
There's a tool that's holding the damn thing.
Aaron, you do realize we have infinite respawns.
We have what?
Infinite respawns.
I know, I'm going to find a rag or something to clean my mask out. I can't see where it is.
Oh. Really? Yeah, ow, hit. I didn't even bother on that one. I saw you and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna get killed anyway. Ah, fuck it. If someone shoots me in the same spot, in the same fingertip, I'm going in guns blazing, not giving a shit, and shooting them all in the face. God, it hurts. Yeah, getting shot in the fingertip on the fingernail. Yeah, I'm literally done with a shotty. Huh? Could have at least said bang. If he said bang, I would have like, oh yeah, cool. But no, shoot me in the fucking finger. And call it a hit. Could have broke my finger. If he did that, I'm suing his ass. I think this last thing's gonna get on my nerves. They're all over there too. Oh, he's gonna get fucked. Actually, good better idea. Head back to spawn. I'm gonna head back to spawn, pull out my shotty, and run like hell. Using only nothing but a shotty. Or a pistol. Oh. Yeah, that's a bruise. Blue. Ooh. Nice job. Any covering fire?
They said that they're on the west side, west-north.
A bunch of guys pinned at the fort and on the right. We got a guy.
What? Like this?
I'll be cover fire. Here.
Barrel covers on, magazines out!
Do you have an action camera?
Yep. Was this on? Is it blinking red?
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you. I got it all in footage.
Yeah. Thanks for the support.
Uh-huh. That feels better than shooting blindly in the air like an idiot. Huh?
Blue one?
Yeah. Whoever shot me in the finger, that hurt.
so happy to see these radios with all
They drew them all out that way, and these guys just came that way.
Hey, you shot me in the finger, right?
Yeah.
Couldn't you just said bang or something?
I was way outside the fort.
Whatever.
I wasn't even in it. I shot through that front window.
Yeah, I saw that, and as soon as I saw you shot me in the finger. Oh.
Yeah, I shot through the metal thing and missed, and then I asked what team, and then
I was gonna say red, but then I'm like, yeah, I'll be honest, and before I could say something, you shoot me in the finger.
no, you said blue.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Oh.
You said blue, and then I waited a couple seconds.
Huh.
What?
When I shot you in the balls,
You did, yes.
I think you got me back through the window.
Oh.
Everybody have fun?
Yep.
Hoorah!
I don't hear much enthusiasm. Everybody have fun.
Yes!
I'll line up so I can shoot you.
You should do it more once a month. You should do it more once a month.
Yeah,